had individual names as well. For the markets, there's some recovery from the lows on the Nifty. It's down 20 points. When we started the show, it was down around 50. The SAR itself, we've seen some gains come by for Hero MotoCorp. So the auto pack is contributing to the recovery that we're seeing from the lows as well. So there's Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors. That's also recovered from lows. The other names which are trending well from the broader markets. JK Paper, that is one stock which is up around 9%, 10.5% actually there. Nelco is the other one doing really well. Tanla Platforms is up 4.5%. We have Praj Industries which is seeing some gains as well, 4.5% there. So a lot of stocks which are on our radar. We'll keep tracking all that for you. But for now, we'll do one thing. We'll slip into a short break. When we come... Okay, all right. We'll not do that. We'll actually go across to Mangalam. He's joining us with all the trends from the F&O space this morning. Mangalam.
Well, it's not looking particularly bad. You know, after a big rally that we saw on Wednesday and a break that we had yesterday, it was expected to see some sort of profit booking in today's trading session. But that's actually now, coming up. So we're seeing the frontline indices move higher from the lows. The mid-caps have been doing well. The banks, which actually led the rally on Wednesday, are already outperforming. And if you look at some of the intraday charts today, that tells you that the mood on the consumption side of things is definitely fairly better. So we have Hero MotoCorp, which opened slightly lower, but good sales numbers coming in. The stock has moved higher. We have Eternal, which is doing well. Typically ahead of the festive season, these e-commerce, quick commerce stocks do well. We have Britannia, which too has moved to the high point of trade, and V-Mart Retail on the back of a strong update, up nearly 11%. The other pack which is doing well, the metals pack. So we have Tata Steel, Hindalco, Nalco, Hinzinc, all of them abuzz in today's trading session. So do not look at just the frontline index, which is consolidating after a big run. Let's look at some of these individual names, which are telling you that maybe the market is poised for better levels from here on. Though, in terms of a very near-term range, the active Nifty options at around the 24,800 mark is where both the call and the put writers have created a bit of a fulcrum. The combined premium on the 24,800 call and the 24,800 put is close to 150 rupees. So in the very near term, maybe the street believes that the range could be 24,650 to around 24,950 on the way up. And understandably so, because the Nifty is very close to its 50-day moving average. For it to cross it and stay above is something that we'll watch out for. And on the way up, we have the 100-day moving average as well. The Nifty Bank, which conquered its 50-day moving average on Wednesday, now has to go ahead and conquer the 100-day moving average. So from a technical standpoint, those are important levels to watch out for too. The broader markets, that's where a lot of the action is. Two stocks have already entered the F&O ban, even as we're on day 2 of October series. And now as we look at it, HFCL, Vodafone Idea and Bandhan Bank, all of them very close to the threshold beyond which they will enter the F&O ban. So these are a couple of stocks I'll be watching out for. In particular, Vodafone Idea, because October 6th is where we have, the hearing with regards to AGR relief. It's an F&O stock, so a lot of action building up ahead of that.
Mark that on your calendar, 6th of October. Thank you very much for that, Mangalam. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll put the spotlight on Sammaan Capital in our special segment, The Big Story.